go over assessments though. There was a couple that I checked that needed.
Wasn't mine.
They're all yours, Krista.
I knew it.
No, I'm kidding. Okay, this one you said, what does it say? It said something about looking at the story. Wow, do you see it in there? I can't read it upside down.
Is it you are right? Because you got the little arrow.
Oh yeah. You can see the boy's breath in the picture. Was she looking at the story when she said that?
No.
Or not?
She does. She's not.
She wasn't. Okay.
No.
So otherwise, I was gonna say if she was, then it would be with guidance and
right.
support.
And I would write that. Usually, I try to write that in there, like with Elizabeth, because there's just usually guidance.
While looking at the picture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Obviously, the page was open to.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure for that one.
Yeah. No, that was a good call. Good call.
This one.
It's mine.
Make sure that you write that she had to say the lowercase
Oh, okay.
letter before she was matching it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
And did she get them all right?
Okay, gotcha.
I'll leave that
I'll have to
sticky
go
on
back
that
on
one.
that one too.
And same with this one, you just didn't say if she was able to identify all of them, which
Yep.
I assume she would. But
Gotcha.
Yes, she should.
I think there's a few of them. I'll have to go back and do that too because I know I didn't do it too.
Yeah.
I just did.
And then there were just a couple other ones that I tagged in here, so if you guys want to look, Jack, Naya, and Edmonds for sure.
Did you put our names on it? So we know?
Well, it's on your scale,
Oh, duh.
but they're just flagged with a couple questions.
Okay.
A lot of Stephanie's were making sure you circled everything in here,
Yes.
because you weren't circling if it was
Mhm.
literature or
I
informational.
always forget that one.
And I
Yes.
was still circling fall.
And you were still circling.
Because it's
all.
technically not
I
mine
know.
I
yet.
know. It throws you off.
It does.
The other thing I wanted to show you guys was how I started doing addition with them yesterday. Since we've been working on that counted on, I just touched on it with them. So like if we had 5 plus 4, like I did this with Grant yesterday, then first have him make sure he looks at this to know that it's adding, because once we're from subtraction, I don't want him to forget that.
Mm-hmm.
And then have him do 4 dots. So then he can go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to work on that counting on things,
Okay.
since that's what we're doing up at the board.
That's kind of what I did yesterday with
Yeah, with the
Naya.
addition
Naya
sheet.
and
Yeah. Cause then I'm wanting to start putting some of these, I have some of these worksheets that I felt like Gabriella would be able to do good in her tub, and she would just have to do the dots on this side and then count on.
Okay.
So, that's for math. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, now we can do our one positive.
I think my positive is going to be for little Audrey, because she kind of just came in here and was like, here.
Yeah.
Her presence is
Yeah.
Alright.
Her presence
Like,
is
it didn't
known.
take her that long to warm up at all.
No, she came in warmed up.
Yeah.
She's like, hi.
It was great. Not shy at all.
No, she's not shy.
No.
Yeah, she's done good, I think.
Mm-hmm.
She is.
Just learning expectations is gonna be, or learning who's boss.
Yes.
Right. That she's not the teacher.
Yeah.
And she's
Mhm.
not she's not everybody's caregiver.
I would say a positive for everybody would be using Grant's star chart.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's helped a lot.
That's
I
Yeah.
agree.
You guys think
That was going to be
I
my
agree.
positive, is his
Mhm.
star chart. Just
Mhm.
figuring out what works with him.
Yes.
Because we tried the book and that didn't work. You know, we tried
Yeah.
the other things
First
and that
one.
just seems,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
you know, you pull that out and he's like, oh, yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah.
So that was my,
And I think it's good that no
Positive
matter
too.
who's with him that week, anybody can be like, ooh, I'm gonna have to take away a star. You
Yeah.
know, like, and he'll respond to anybody saying that.
He does.
So,
Exactly.
and yesterday in counseling, he was getting, class meeting, he was getting antsy, and so Sherry had brought a book in the bag and just gave him that. And it's like he still listens even though he's looking
Yes.
at them. He just
Mhm.
needs that something to touch.
He does. He needs that.
Tactile
Like a fidget.
stuff.
Mhm.
Yep. So